Welcome, I am Esmee.
And my name is Hans.
During this course, we will do the project alongside you. Our project is slightly different from yours, but it is based on the same kind of mathematical models.
Today we will show you how to collect information and specify your problem. We decided to base our project on a population model. In order to work with the population model, we have to decide on which population we will focus.
I would really like to work with a population of a certain type of animal. Maybe an animal from a pet shop, so we can model the population of that type of animal over a certain period. This could be useful for the owner of the pet shop.
Yeah, how about fish? A pet shop near my house breeds and sells a lot of fish, and I've also wondered how they are able to grow all these fish themselves. We could model how many fish they have grown after, for example, 1 year.
Yeah, that sounds good. Do you know what kind of fish they have?
Well, they breed a lot of different types of fish, like goldfish, guppies, rainbow fish.
Maybe we should collect information on these types of fish and see which is most interesting for us to model.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, where do we start? Breeding fish.
Yeah.
Let's see. Breeding methods. No.
Live aquaria.
Tropical fish. Goldfish. Let's see this. Now they have all the different kind of fish. Let's look at this. Goldfish. Well, they definitely grow goldfish, because
Killifish, never heard of them.
Catfish. That's nice. Rainbow fish. That sounds cool.
Yeah.
And I can. They have 2 to 200 eggs every time they're pregnant. It takes 4 to 15 days to hatch.
Sounds nice.
Yeah. Maybe we should go with rainbow fish.
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, we should look for specific information about the rainbow fish and add the most important information to our logbook on our online drive. We will need links for the report later.
Let's put all these numbers we found in the logbook as well. Then both of us can find it easily. So let's see. They're pregnant for 28 days. For every pregnancy, they have 10 to 70 new fish, and they can get pregnant from 3 months.
Yeah, but only the females lay eggs, obviously. And I read that sometimes they even eat their babies. We could include this in the model.
So we agree we will focus on rainbow fish for our population model. Now let's look at the given population model. During the previous videos, we have learned that we can model the population of rainbow fish with a differential equation describing the growing population. dp dt equals b times p of t.
Yeah, that's a very good start. But we want to know how many fish we have grown after 1 year. We could start with the assumption that we don't sell any fish during this year.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So we know what the population growth is if we don't take any fish out.
Okay, we can use this as our first model. But what does the model look like graphically? Think like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
But are there any other assumptions we have to take into account?
Well, they grow their fish in tanks, so there's a limit. Let's call it M. So we need to bound it somehow. We could call this maximum M.
Yeah, looks good. We could start the first modeling cycle with this equation. We can calculate the analytical solution of the differential equation by hand first, and eventually approximate results with Euler's method using Python.
And for further modeling cycles, we could look at some additions to the model.
Yeah, we could look into what happens when another type of fish is added to the aquarium.
And maybe the male-female ratio has influence on the population growth. We could look into that.
Yeah, sounds good. We should start looking up data to determine the parameters like the growth rate and a plausible initial population to start with. And then we can start the modeling cycle with our own model and computer program. Let's start doing research.
And good luck with specifying your problem.